We are going to learn how to apply different font options to text. In order to do that, you go to your Home tab and you go to the font group. The first thing we're going to learn is how to change the font. So I'm going to change the font of my heading separately. You click on the drop down arrow, and as you hover your cursor over each different font, it actually previews what it will look like for you without selecting it. You can either click on that font here, or you can, if you can't find it in this list, a quick way of doing it is actually by typing the name in the box. Now I want to select Century Gothic for my heading, so I'm going to click on Century Gothic. For the paragraph, I'm going to change that to a different font. I'm going to select Arial for the paragraph. So that is how you change and select the font in Microsoft Word. And how you select the size is you select the area you want to change and you click the font size drop down arrow. I'm going to choose size 16. Another way of doing that, to increase the font size, is by clicking on the increase font size icon or the decrease font size icon. So I've made it just one size too big, so I'm going to click on the decrease font size, and it's just decreased it. I'm going to change the font size of the paragraph. I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to change it to size 12. The next thing we're going to learn is how to change the font color. So I'm going to change the font color of the heading. So we go to the font color icon and we can select any color we have here. I'm going to choose a dark blue. Now I'm going to change the font color of the paragraph next. So I can either click on the icon again, it will change it to the same color I changed the heading, as you can see in the icon. Otherwise, you can select a different color. I'm just going to go a lighter blue. And that is how you change the font color. The next thing we're going to learn how to do is how to bold, italicize, and underline our text. So I want to bold our heading, so I go to the bold icon. Click it once. There you go. Now it's bold. And if I also want to underline it, just simply click on the underline icon. Now to italicize, you select the area you want to be put in italics. I'm just going to italicize the word. You click on the icon. So italicize basically slants your text slightly to the right. And if you want to take these options away, just highlight the area, take italics off. I'm going to select that icon again. Italics is gone. And it works the same way with bold and underline. Click underline to take it away, and then the bold. I'm just going to put those back on. And now the next thing we're going to learn is how to change the case. So I'm going to highlight this area. It's a quick way of changing the case without physically having to do it. So the options we're going to be looking at are sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, and toggle case. Sentence case is just going to capitalize the first word of the sentence. Lowercase is going to be all small letters. Uppercase is going to put each word into a capital letter. Capitalize each word is going to do just that. And toggle case is going to make uppercase letters lowercase and vice versa. So if I click on that, toggle case, you'll see the capital letters are now lowercase and the lowercase letters are now uppercase. I'm going to now change that to capitalize each word, and you can see now that each word has a capital, starts with a capital letter, uppercase. Now each word is uppercase. Now I'm going to select sentence case. Now you can see the first word of the sentence has a capital letter, and the next lowercase. So all the letters in the sentence are now lowercase letters. And that is how you apply different font options to text.